And then you've got the 1099 filing, which has to do, once again, with the 1099s to possibly contractors and how we can actually file the returns like internally, which we might talk about more in depth later. So that's the general overview of the expenses. So the general idea would be the vendor's side of things, the vendor center, is only something that you're going to spend a lot of time in if you have accounts payable typically, and when you deal with 1099s at the end of the year. Otherwise, if you're paying everything as they become due, you're probably just going to be paying things with the transactions tab using the bank feeds, and it'll be pretty clean. You won't be going into the vendor center unless there's going to be something that you need to look up, like you want to look up the expenses, you want to look at how much you paid for the telephone for budgeting purposes or whatever purposes, so you might need to sort it there. But usually the main thing that you're figuring out in that vendor center is the people you're dealing with in a more complex system where you're tracking accounts payable, where you're tracking purchase orders, and so on.